When you see a blinking red light on your higher portable air conditioner, it's telling you there's a problem that needs attention. The unit displays specific error codes to help identify the exact problem. These codes appear on the display panel and give you valuable diagnostic information. Error codes fall into two main categories. E-series codes typically indicate problems with the indoor unit, while F-series codes usually point to outdoor unit or system-wide issues. Let's look at some common error codes. E1 typically indicates a temperature sensor failure in the indoor unit. E4 can indicate several issues, including antifreeze protection activation or a full water tank that needs to be emptied. Other common codes include E2 for room temperature sensor problems, and some units may show codes like FL when the water tank is full. It's crucial to check your specific model's manual, as error code meanings can vary between different hair models and years. Ignoring these warning signals can lead to further damage, so prompt action is essential. When troubleshooting your higher portable air conditioner, start with the basic power checks. First, ensure the unit is securely plugged into a functioning electrical outlet. Next, clean the air filter. A dirty filter restricts airflow and reduces cooling efficiency. Remove the filter and clean it thoroughly, or replace it if necessary. Check the exhaust hose connection. Ensure it's properly connected, not obstructed, and as straight as possible. The hose should not exceed the recommended length of about 5 feet. Check if the water tank is full and drain it if necessary. Many units will stop working when the internal water tank reaches capacity. After addressing these issues, restart the unit by turning it off, unplugging it for a few minutes, then plugging it back in. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, it's time to seek professional help. Call a technician if error codes persist, you suspect refrigerant problems, or there are signs of compressor failure. Finally, ensure your air conditioner's BTU rating matches your room size. An undersized unit won't cool effectively, even when working properly. Check the manufacturer's guidelines for proper sizing.